had to go back out to another food pantry because a friend of mine called me and told me that they were having a massive produce plus meat giveaway. So I said, well, this is my chance to make a complete barbecue for not only myself, but other people. So, do you want to see what I got? Of course you do. Come on, let's take a look. You're not going to believe this. Oh, wait, you can go twice a month, every month. And you get a lot. You can shop there. Come on, let me show you. Now, we are going to start from the left all the way to the right. Now, we didn't get that many canned goods, but once again, that's not what I was after. But we'll start with this back here. I got some low sodium soy sauce. Thank goodness. Again, I'm going to be doing a lot of teriyaki stuff. I got some more pancake syrup. I'm going to be needing that. Some more cooking oil. Some more pinto beans. And a nasty washcloth. No, I was wiping off the counters. Then back here, look at this. We got some yogurt and assorted, what is this? Let's see. We got blueberry, peach, and strawberry. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Then over here, we got some everything bread. You heard of everything bacon? Well, this is everything bread. I'm going to make garlic bread out of this and have some good eating. Oh, yes. We got some enriched premium long grain rice. I said it right this time. Got some pancake mix, some elbow macaroni, some light red kidney beans. Oh, that's good. Then we got, look, a grilled cheese sandwich wrapped up, ready to go. That's cool. I've never seen this before. It's even buttered, ready to throw it into the grill on both sides. Yeah. Yep. Crispy grilled cheese. That'll be good. Some yellow cornmeal, a breakfast sandwich, some rye pumpernickel swirl bread. Oh, that's going to be delicious. We got some eggs, liquid gold. Once again, not a one broken. Amazing. Then we got, look at this. This is unusual, never got this before. Blueberry vanilla goat cheese. I bet that's good. I'm going to try that. We're going to do a food pantry item taste test. And this is going to be one of the ones. Yes, that's going to be a video I do next. That's going to be good. Now, let's jump over to the other side and see the produce. Go that way. Room. Look at this. Let's start in the back. A huge cabbage. I can make coleslaw. I can make boiled cabbage. I can make fried cabbage. I'm going to make that dish one of the nieces sent me. It looks delicious, and I'm going to make it. Then we got some grapes back there. We're going to do some refreshers, guys. I'm going to use some grape syrup along with some watermelon and honeydew. Yeah, I got 2 honeydew melons. These are nice. Look at them. Ready. I know this one is. Yeah. Then we've got 3 red bell peppers, 3 tomatoes, some blueberries. I can make blueberry syrup to go in our refreshers. Yep. We've got some apples and oranges. You heard that phrase, apples and oranges? Well, this is apples, oranges, and 1 green mango. We could do a mango refresher. Would you guys like that? Oh, you just wait till I do these refreshers. You're going to love them. Better than those fast food places. Then we've got some plums. Oh, love plums. A whole bag of them. With, you know what? Plum, grape, watermelon refresher. Sounds good. Then we've got a bag of potatoes. A whole bunch of cilantro. Oh, I'm going to make tacos. A bag of onions. And then look at this. Pork ribs ready to go. Some prime rib patties. Are you serious? Yes, prime rib patties. Then we've got a pork loin. A steak. And white chicken. A pack. I think I might broil that steak on the grill. The white chicken will make a great cold chicken salad. And then we got something cute, a toiletry. Floss. Mmm. But look at the meat and all the produce. This is amazing. This is a really good haul. Fresh produce for the summer. And an interesting taste treat we're going to try out. Our bread, the breakfast sandwich, we're going to try that too. The grilled cheese, we're going to try that. We're going to try all three of these items on a taste test. Our yogurt to settle my tummy. And everything bagel bread. Oh, not to mention our condiments and beans in the back. Delicious. Your Uncle Chris is tired today. I have been running and running and running. But you know what? It was worth it. I did 2 food pantries today. I'll put these in 2 separate videos. And you can check them out. I'm sure the other video is already up. So you can check this one out after that one. I'm trying to see. I'm going to do the grill, or how to prep for the grill, and I'm going to try to film the barbecue too, okay? Let me know what you guys want me to film, or what you want me to make, especially in the refreshers, because we got all this fresh produce and fruit. You're going to love it. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I'm so glad you guys are with me. I am back. I am better than ever. Everything's going to be all right. Remember, when life throws you lemonades. When life throws you lemon, make lemonades. Seriously, sometimes life gives you a hard time to show you that, you know what, you don't just stop there. You keep on going and you move forward. And that's what I'm doing. Even if you have to cut some people loose, even if these are people you love, you gotta cut them loose if they are no good for you. Now, that's food for thought. All right, till our taste test next time, and the grilling video and the food prep video. We are gonna be on it. Nieces and nephews, write to me. I cannot wait to hear from you. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.